What's up, y'all? Let's Fofo back again with another video. Today we got a wide body Charger Scatpack. Now this car is equipped with 485 horsepower, 475 feet-pounds of torque. Now looking at this one, we get the technology group, we get the carbon fiber suede, we get that navigation and travel and the Harman Kardon and the power sunroof. Now as you can see, we got the FA green. Now with markup, they marked it at $15, so they want $79,470, and it's up here at Hilltop Dodge. Make sure if y'all coming up here and buying these vehicles, y'all send my name. I'm gonna pull up and give you guys a gift card. Simple as that. Now, going into this car right here, this is a beautiful F8 green right here. This is the fastest grocery getter underneath that Hellcat. Now, on this one right here, you can put 87, but you're gonna want to put 91 to get maximum performance and decrease the risk of that wear and tear, because putting anything less than 91 will wear this car down, and it will mess it up pretty bad because the performance it's not gonna wear properly. Now looking into the trunk space, you have, like I say, about 6 bodies every time I say it, and you know, this is a pretty big trunk. I mean, you can fit some subs back here. You can put almost anything you want back here because it has the space, and most sports cars don't have the space. Now, coming up to the door, we have the keyless entry feature where you can slide your hand underneath just as so, or you can lock it like that. So sliding it underneath, that will unlock the door. Now getting into it, as you can see right here, we got the Harman Kardon right there. We got the leather in the door. Now we got the seat settings right here. We got 1, 2, and 3. I don't know why they always put S. Somebody tell. I know it means set, but still, like getting into it, it feels good on the inside. This one is equipped with 10 miles. It has that beautiful flat bottom steering wheel that I love, that beautiful carbon fiber. I love this particular interior colorway. Like, it goes so good together and I love it. We got that gray with that suede, that Alcantara. Then we got the sunroof settings. I mean, this right here is just undefeated in my book. Now, as you can see, they don't cheap out with the carbon fiber when it comes down. I don't like this accent right here. I feel like if you're gonna eliminate it all, get it all out of here, I would like to see Dodge eliminate this aluminum. Eliminate that door handle aluminum, that line of aluminum. If you guys are gonna go carbon fiber, I feel like everything needs to be carbon fibered out, from the bezel up here to just anything that's visible in this car that could be carbon fibered out. Now that's just my opinion, as well as the paddle shifters. Give a $75 option. I love to milk people out their money. A $75 option to get those carbon fiber paddle shifters. Somebody is willing to buy it somewhere. So looking up here, we got the glasses container right there. We got 1, 2, and 3 for the garage keys. We got the auto slide back, auto slide forward. We have the control these lights right here. You can also click them as well or push the button. It depends, just whatever's up to you. We have the 392 emblem right there. It comes standard. Looking into that glove compartment, as you can see, we got those spare set of lugs because we do have locking lugs. Now going in the back seat, they did not cheap out. As you can see, they have the same Alcantara and leather setup. Now they didn't cheap out when it comes to the USB ports that's right here as well. And then opening the center console, as you can see, you have 2 more USB ports, 1 aux, and then a 12 volt there and a 12 volt there. Now this car right here is definitely worth the money. We got the Dodge brothers designed in Detroit, so we got that American muscle. So overall, this car is definitely something that you would want to purchase. And if you're in the market for a 392, right now is a very tough time to buy. I'm not going to tell you guys just the perfect time to buy it. I'll say right now is the perfect time to order one, because now they just added the 5,000 markup. to the ordering. I'm gonna drop a video on how you guys can avoid that, but you guys really have to be careful when purchasing these cars. I'm seeing people pay upwards of $90,000 for a Scatpack that's fully loaded with taxes, and that's just ridiculous when you can buy, you know, a Hellcat base model for literally 90 with some tax, you know. So I'm gonna be helping you guys out the best I can. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna ride it out with you guys through thick and thin on trying to get you guys the cheapest price to get these cars. I understand it's not an easy time right now, and it's very hard for you guys to, you know, buy the car that you want. I didn't even get a chance to talk about the rims. Now these are equipped with locking lugs, which I mean. Now look guys, I'm sorry, my camera ended up dying. Like I was saying, these are equipped with locking lugs. No, wide bodies do not come with a spare, and you better hope and pray you never pop one of these tires. But like I said, I'll be doing my due diligence to try to get you guys to get the best deal on this car, because I understand that right now is a very hard time to buy in the market, because right now everything is so marked up and inflation is at an all-time high. Now, if you guys want to see a video about my prediction with inflation, definitely you're gonna have to ask for it. So make sure you say something down below. Giveaway at 1,000 subs, and we're almost there. I'm giving away a $100 gift card. I'm also gonna give a gift card to anybody that comes up to Hilltop Dodge and buys a car and says London. They will call me and I will come up here and I will look out for you guys. Make sure you text me on Instagram as well, and I might be able to meet. I'm always in the area. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you guys.